Looking to transform your fitness routine without leaving home? The best home gym pull-up bar is the perfect solution for building strength and endurance. Compact, versatile, and durable, it allows you to target multiple muscle groups for effective workouts anytime. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Sportsroyals 450 lbs Pull Up Bar. The Sportsroyals 450 lbs Pull Up Bar stands out as a robust and versatile option for anyone looking to create a comprehensive home workout setup. Built to support up to 450 pounds, it delivers exceptional stability and safety, allowing users to focus on strength training without worrying about wobbling or tipping. This multifunctional pull-up bar is not just limited to classic pull-ups. It accommodates dips, knee raises, and a variety of other exercises, making it a full-body training solution. Its thoughtful design includes a perfectly positioned bar for comfortable hand grips and multiple hand positions, helping to target different muscle groups and keep workouts engaging and effective. The 10-degree reclined positioning, along with padded armrests and backrest, adds a layer of comfort during exercises, such as dips, reducing joint strain and making the sessions more enjoyable. Additionally, the unit comes with 6 adjustable height settings and a 7-position adjustable backrest, ensuring that it can meet the needs of users of all sizes, making it an excellent choice for family workouts. Despite its wide range of features, the pull-up bar maintains a compact footprint, making it ideal for home gyms with limited space, garages, or even basements. Assembly is straightforward, thanks to clear instructions and well-labeled parts, allowing users to start their training quickly and without frustration. Number 2. Sportsroyals Pull Up Bar. The Sportsroyals Pull Up Bar is an all-in-one home gym solution designed to accommodate a wide variety of exercises and fitness levels. Constructed from 50 by 50 mm commercial steel with a thickness of 1.5 mm, this power cage offers exceptional durability and stability, capable of supporting up to 1,200 pounds. Its solid frame and reinforcing tabs provide a safe environment for high-intensity workouts, while the built-in upper and lower pulley systems, featuring precision bearing pulleys and electroplated telescopic poles, allow for smooth resistance training up to 500 pounds. The multifunctional design enables users to perform an extensive range of exercises, including wide and narrow lat pull-downs, seated cable rows, squats, deadlifts, bench presses, triceps extensions, dips, chin-ups, and pull-ups, all with one device. The Sportsroyals Home Gym Pull-Up Bar is ideal for building strength and endurance across multiple muscle groups, offering versatility typically reserved for commercial gym equipment. Thoughtful design ensures that the system can be adjusted to accommodate different heights and workout preferences, while the solid construction guarantees long-term durability. The package ships in 2 separate boxes to minimize the risk of transit damage, and customer service is readily available to assist with any questions. With its combination of strength, adaptability, and safety, the Sportsroyals Pull Up Bar is perfect for anyone looking to create a professional-quality home gym experience. Number 3. Ultra FUEGO Pull Up Bar. The Ultra FUEGO Pull Up Bar is a powerhouse home gym system designed for strength training enthusiasts seeking durability, versatility, and comprehensive workout options. Built with 50 mm by 50 mm steel uprights and reinforced with heavy steel bases, the cage provides unmatched stability and resistance against tipping, even during the most intense exercises. Its 1.5 mm thick steel construction, combined with laser-cut precision and powder-coated finish, ensures long-lasting durability. This multifunctional pull-up bar system offers endless training possibilities, featuring adjustable J-hooks, safety bars, and dip handles, with 10-level height adjustments for the J-hooks and 3-level height adjustments for dip handles. Users can perform a wide range of exercises, including pull-ups, chin-ups, push-ups, dips, and pulley-based strength training, while customizing weight resistance according to their fitness plan. The included accessories further enhance the system's versatility, with a tricep rope, ankle strap, T-bar, lat pull-down bar, cable handles, dip bars, safety bars, and weight plate storage pegs. The built-in 360-degree landmine and pulley system allow for functional strength exercises in a compact home gym space. The integrated weight plate storage keeps plates organized, safe, and easily accessible, ensuring a clutter-free workout environment. Number 4. Bongkim Pull Up Bar. The Bongkim Pull Up Bar is a highly adjustable and durable home gym solution designed for individuals and families looking to perform a variety of exercises in a compact space. Constructed from thickened steel pipes, the bar provides superior load-bearing capacity, supporting up to 330 pounds, while its reinforced triangular structure ensures stability and safety during workouts. With 8 adjustable height positions ranging from 59 inches to 85 inches, users can easily customize the bar to accommodate pull-ups, chin-ups, dips, and other exercises, making it suitable for adults and children alike. The precise 1.97-inch hole spacing allows for safe and secure adjustments, while the versatility of the design enables the integration of accessories such as rings, sandbags, and hammocks, expanding exercise possibilities. The Bongkim pull-up station's compact footprint makes it ideal for home gyms, garages, or basements where space is limited without compromising on functionality or performance. Assembly is straightforward, and all necessary tools and instructions are included, ensuring that users can set up the system quickly and begin their workout routine without hassle. With its combination of durability, adjustability, and multifunctionality, the Bongkim Pull Up Bar provides a reliable solution for strength training and full-body workouts. Its focus on safety and stability makes it suitable for a... Number 5. Jayflex Pull Up Bar. The Jayflex Pull Up Bar offers a portable and convenient home workout solution for those who want to maintain upper body strength without investing in bulky equipment. Designed as a doorway gym, this pull-up bar transforms any doorway into a versatile exercise station in seconds, providing a safe and secure platform for pull-ups, chin-ups, push-ups, dips, and other bodyweight exercises. The adjustable handles allow for narrow, wide, and neutral grips, ensuring that users can target different muscle groups effectively. With a weight capacity of 250 pounds, the Jayflex cross grips offer stability and reliability while remaining lightweight and easy to store. Unlike permanent pull-up stations, this no-screw design requires no tools for setup, making it perfect for renters or those who frequently move. The foam-lined handles provide comfort during workouts and reduce the risk of slipping, while the interlocking design ensures a snug fit indoors with 2 to 4-inch molding and 4.5 to 7.5-inch frame thickness. Its portability also allows users to take their workout anywhere, turning hotel rooms, offices, or other doorways into temporary gyms, making it an excellent travel companion for fitness enthusiasts. The Jayflex Pull Up Bar is ideal for those seeking a simple, functional, and space-saving solution for home workouts. Its versatility, ease of use, and portability make it a standout choice for anyone looking to strengthen their upper body while maintaining convenience and accessibility. From full-body upper strength training to light conditioning exercises, this doorway pull-up bar provides an effective and practical way to stay fit at home or on the go. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.